Hey, what's up YouTube? It's finally time for a snow romp. It won't necessarily be a bash per se because it's just out on flat ground in my front yard. Although I do have a ramp that I'll set out there, but check it out. See if I'm gonna be able to get up to this thing. Man, this thing gets caked with snow.
How do you control it like that in the air?
You give it gas.
Yeah. Just at the right time, or?
So basically, the inertia of the spinning of the tires. Yeah. If you gun it, it'll do a backflip.
Oh, I see. Just off the lip.
Off the spinning of the tires.
Oh, wow.
So it could be just straight in the air, and then as soon as you gun it, the inertia of that quick spin just makes it flip.
Wow. What kind of RPM did you get up?
So it'll go up to about 60 miles an hour,
Right.
and it's running on two 3S batteries, so it's 6S power, which as far as RC cars go, gas is not the thing anymore.
Right.
What they've done with batteries is like,
Dad, one tile's not moving as fast the other.
Yeah, you know what?
What?
There might be something going on with it. I'll fix it. Which tire's not moving as fast as the other? Yeah? Might have to fix the differential. Watch out, let me see. Yeah, you're right. Alright, time to take it in. Good thing these things are waterproof. Hard to do this one-handed. Well, East Tactics out, guys. Happy New Year.